Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials: a charged device, stable internet, and a secure location for your recovery phrase. Create an account now, choose a strong password, and write the 1224-word phrase on paper. Do not screenshot. Once done, enable device biometrics if desired for quick access, and link a bank or card for fiat purchases so you can buy crypto immediately. Make sure to note where you store backups. This prevents total loss if your device is lost. You now add and organize assets. Tap Add Token, search the symbol, and enable visibility so balances display. When sending funds, copy the recipient address carefully and verify the network. Mistakes are irreversible, so always do a 001 or small test send first. For swaps, use Edge's built-in exchange or connect decentralized apps. This gives you on-chain access without exporting keys. Once complete, set custom labels and pin frequently used tokens for faster access and clearer bookkeeping. You finish by locking down security. Enable biometrics, set a robust PIN, and activate auto logout after short idle time so unauthorized users cannot access your funds. Practice recovery, restore the wallet on a secondary device using the phrase, so you confirm backups work before deleting the primary wallet. If something goes wrong, check network selection and transaction confirmations first. If funds appear missing, confirm TX hashes and Explorer status.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.